Looking for the perfect holiday dessert? Try this amazing white chocolate creme brulee. Add your thickened cream into your pot on a medium-low heat. Stir in the vanilla essence. Add your favorite white chocolate. Make sure it melts completely into the cream. This will take a few minutes, so while your chocolate is melting, separate your egg yolks from the whites. We like to use this water bottle trick to separate the yolks from the whites. Next, you're going to whisk your sugar into your yolks until smooth. When your chocolate and cream mixture is melted, add to your egg mixture a little bit at a time while whisking. Scoop the air bubbles off the top with a spoon so you have a smooth creme brulee. You're going to place ramekins into a deep oven tray. Pour the mixture evenly into your ramekins. Add warm water to fill the tray about halfway up to the side of the ramekin dishes. They're going to go into the oven for 45 minutes on 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius. Refrigerate for 3 hours, but we like to leave it overnight. Add sugar to the top and spread it around. Use a blowtorch to melt the sugar, but be sure you don't keep it in one spot for too long, otherwise it'll burn. We want a nice brown golden color on top. For a festive twist, you can smash a candy cane in a bag into small pieces. Coat the rim of the ramekin in honey and dip into the candy cane pieces. The full recipe will be linked down below. If you want to see more videos that will tempt your taste buds, hit that subscribe button.